Okay, so I've registered into for Fiverr affiliate. So how to log into my Fiverr affiliate account? So I enter the username that I used. Then I log in. So if my password, my username are correct, everything, I'll get logged in. So you see a pop-up message has appeared. So you agree to the terms and conditions. Then you click on next. Then it will give you access to this. Okay. So you see dashboard. So this, if somebody clicks, so this dashboard, this marketing tools, this reports, this payments. If they pay you, you see payments over here. Earning reports, sub affiliates, reports, affiliate guide, yeah, account details. Okay, so you can provide your account details. Okay, your account details, and then yeah, you can edit. So your account details, you can choose the country that you want. So for example, I choose my country. So you can fill in anything that you think will be necessary. So your address, so you write your address, the city. Okay, okay, so you can decide to save it. So payment details, payment method. So you can choose which method you want for your payments. So I have a Payoneer account, so I can decide to choose Payoneer account. So in the next video, I would show you how to register for a Payoneer account. So Payoneer private, then VAT number if you have, then you enter a Payoneer ID, Payoneer username, then you save. Okay, so when you save, so you can just play around. Okay, so when you are done, that's all. You can just decide to log out from this end. And that's how you become a Fiverr affiliate, to be able to provide or to be able to let people know about this platform. Okay, so you just promote Fiverr, and then you can also earn at the end of the time. So you can click on the link in the description to be able to hop on Fiverr directly, and then you can just start registering. See you in my next video. Bye.